Hey, what's going on guys? John here. Well, today is the day. Because today, we'll be going inside Premiere Rush. So, as most of you know, I'm a desktop video editor, but today I want to review the mobile desktop editing software, Premiere Rush. So how can you use this to your advantage? What are the differences? And we're going to review the software. Now, I haven't really used Premiere Rush before, so this is kind of a new experience for me, so I hope this provides some valuable insight if you want to start editing in Premiere Rush. Let's get started here. So I'm on an iPad, so when you first open it up, you'll see a new area to create a new project. So we'll click that. You can name the project, so name this tutorial, click off. So the first thing you have to do in Premiere Rush is select the media you want to import and edit with. So for this example, I'm going into my Creative Cloud sync files, the cloud files. So on the left menu, just go to Creative Cloud. I got some video assets here, and we will check all of these. And then we'll create the project by clicking Create. See, it's preparing the media. So I'm assuming it's ingesting it and importing the footage at this point. So for some context, I have some beach clips, video clips with like a surf song. So we're just gonna put some B-roll together to some music. So as we can see here, we got a timeline. If we kind of go through with our finger and kind of scrub through, we can see that it put the clips together. Let's see, if you hold down and then drag, you can move the clips in different orders. It's a little difficult, but you know, once you get the finger down, you can kind of maneuver around. Let's see, on the left, you can cut. Okay, so the little scissors icon cuts the clip in half. So now you can see that we have, let's see, if you don't want it, you have the trash can there so you can delete stuff. Let's see, if you do the little icon under the plus button, you can see your project assets. So if you need something that you deleted, you can drag it back out here. So let's dive in and see what type of effects and stuff that we have here. Let's explore on the right side here. So the first one is graphics. So you can add pre-made graphics that I believe already come with it. Gotcha, so you have to click in the program monitor essentially and then edit the text there. So this is how you do that. Cool, you can change the font. Cool, so we got our text here. So that's how you add a graphic. Let's see what other things there are. Let's see, the little layers with a lightning bolt, those are effects and transitions. So you got a few different transitions. Let's see, to add a transition, you just drag it out in between two clips. It's pretty similar to clips, you just click and drag to like make it a longer transition. That's how you add transitions. Looks like we got quite a few in here, so that's nice. Let's see, under the little, almost looks like a hazard symbol, like a biohazard symbol, but I think it's 3 circles. We have color, so this is where you can make color adjustments to clips. So for example here, you can add different presets if you just want a look that's already provided here. And otherwise you can go here and you can manually do it. So for example, if we go to this clip, you can actually increase the exposure, contrast, making this thing look really interesting here. The one thing I notice here though in the color is there's no histogram or RGB parade graph, so you can't really see exactly what the curves is, but you know, I guess you just kind of have to judge based on the program monitor here. So that is the color options. Let's see, this is speed. So the little clock like speedometer icon is speed. So if you want to change the speed of a clip, you can make this really fast. A note I wanted to add in here is about saving. You don't have to actually save or set up autosave, as Premiere Rush actually just autosaves automatically. So you don't have to worry about, you know, losing file data. Everything's backed up to the cloud, so that's really nice. Saving is automatically triggered usually after you add an effect or a certain action inside Premiere Rush. Let's see, under audio, so this is audio. Let's see if we click that, and we should be able to like bring this down. Yeah, that's where you do that. Let's see, under advanced, there's auto volume, auto duck, which would be nice if you have voiceovers and different things. And you wanted to add background music and you don't want it to interfere. That might be a nice feature. I don't have a VO track here, but it'd be good. See, there's a transform. So the very bottom, that's probably like your motion parameters as in like Premiere Pro. So this is probably where we can click on a clip. We can change the horizontal position, vertical position. Let's see, to turn it off, you can just click on and off that little on switch to like undo, turn on and off the transform effect. So that's pretty good. And I want to say that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple video editor here. Not too crazy, not too complex, but you know, it is what it is. If you're a mobile video editor, this might be a good way to edit your vlogs or different videos on the go. So let's see, how do we export this? So on the top menu here, we got a share button. So we can click share, and then under quality settings, you can click the little down arrow, and you have different presets you can match. So let's do 1080p match frame rate. So, you know, compared to Premiere Pro, this is a little limited on the actual options that you have. So it is what it is. It doesn't look like you can choose where it exports. And I believe it just exports to your camera roll. So if you're on an iPad, it'll go to your photos. And down below you saw you could export straight to like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and different platforms. It's actually taking a long time, but this is a slower iPad, so I'm not sure. It might be faster if you have a new iPad or mobile device. Overall, my experience here, it's not bad. It's not a bad editor, you know, for simple video editing. I wouldn't do like a whole movie on here, but if you just have simple clips you want to put together, add some effects to it, you know, make it look cool, and I think it's really made for social media and like vlog type of videos. I would probably not use this in like a professional setting unless I was like in the middle of nowhere or something and I didn't have a desktop with me. So, you know, overall it's not bad software. So I hope this tutorial has helped you learn a little bit more about it. Thanks for joining me on this journey today, and feel free to like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.